It's the beehive bee. It's a bee. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So y'all know Thanksgiving is like right around the corner, so I wanted to come on here and give you guys a little recipe of Thanksgiving and everything. It take maybe 5 minutes to prep. So if you're ready for this, come with me and let's get right into the video. I'm gonna put this phone on mute. So this casserole is gonna take about 25 to 30 minutes, 35, however long you want to keep it in the oven for. This recipe, you're gonna only need a total of 5 ingredients. That's right, you heard me. I said 5 ingredients. You're going to need some fried crispy onions. You're going to need 2 cans of the green beans of your choice. I'm using the French style green beans. You're going to need milk and cream of mushroom soup. So you need to set your oven on 350 degrees. That's about it. So first thing, you can mix every single thing in the pan that you're going to be using. Drain your green beans. This is going to be 2 cans of green beans, French style green beans. Put that to the side. You need 1/4 cup of milk. My measuring cup don't say 1/4, so I'm winging it. 1/4 cup of milk. And ooh, don't cut you. You need your mushroom. Okay, like that. Since I dirtied this spoon already, I'm gonna just go ahead and continue using this spoon because I had a whole different spoon right here. So I'm gonna put this to the side. You're gonna mix it up, and of course you're going to season your casserole unless you don't want it seasoned. You know, over here it has to be seasoned. Okay, so it's all on your preference. But this is such a simple dish to do on Thanksgiving, on Christmas, any one of those holidays. So right now I'm just mixing it all up. Now I'm going to season it. I'm using some tuna sasheries. Some black pepper. And a little bit cayenne pepper. Mix that up again. And now, just flatten it out. I'm gonna put this casserole in the oven for about 25 to 35 minutes. Whenever it's about the 5-minute mark, you're gonna take it out, put your crispy onions on top, and then put it back in the oven. Once that's done, you're ready to serve. So let's put it in the oven. So once you take it out of the oven, it was looking all bubbly not too long ago. You're gonna put your crispy onions on top. Lay everything in there. Onions on top. Okay, so once that's done, you're going to put this back in the oven for maybe 5 minutes. Then you're going to take it out and serve with your dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not, make sure that you like and subscribe. Also follow my social media, so I'll make sure that it's popping up here and down here. Other than that, see you till next time. Peace.